In this video, I will show you how to add Analyze Data feature in Microsoft Excel. Discover more about your data. Analyze Data looks for patterns in your data that it can use to create intelligent, personalized suggestions. And here you will see these handy features. Just select and insert according your data. So it's a very useful feature to analyze your data. To enable this feature, analyze data, click on File, then More, then Options, and here click on Customize ribbon. Here select all commands, and here you need to find out Analyze data. This one, select it, then Add. So firstly you need to select any group, like I want to add this option in the Home tab. Select Home, then Edit. Now here guys, you need to create a custom group. So click New Group and give name. So click Rename and type My Tools or give any name. Select any icon, then click on OK. Now edit. Click on OK. So this way you can analyze your data. Now you have this option. So thanks for watching. Comment this video useful for you.